Depend on.
Success depends on hard work.
Depends on what? Who? Where?
Depends.
Depends on what?
Look at.
She looked at the painting.
Look at him, look at him, look at him.
Hey, look at me.
Listen to.
He listens to music every evening.
Listen to me.
I know. Listen to me. Listen to me.
Talk about.
We talked about the movie last night.
We're not going to talk about this. Talk about what?
Think of about.
What do you think of this idea?
Think of me.
Think of something. Think about.
Think about boys. Think about mom.
Is your fortune.
Think about it. I'll think about it.
Belong to.
This car belongs to my father.
Belongs to me.
Apologize for.
She apologized for her mistake.
You can't apologize for an apology.
Apologize for what?
Apologize for that.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
If it doesn't, please like and subscribe.